Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can insert an image in Word cover page. For this, you need to click on the insert and click on the cover page. So built-in gallery will be open up. You can select any of the pre-built styles. I'll be choosing this one. And now select the image and click on the picture format on the top ribbon and click on the change picture and click on from a file and select the picture from your computer device. For example, I have this one and here you can resize it and again go to the picture format and click on the picture border and select the color of the border, for example dark blue, and again click on the picture border and increase the width to the 4pt, and here you can see that, and again go to the picture border and you can select the dashes or whatever your requirement is, and here you can give the title of your cover page. You can also use the picture styles, pre-built styles. You can select here from here, like this one. So you can select the style which you prefer. And here, this way you can easily change the cover page in Microsoft Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.